Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. So today video I'm going to be doing a quick little review on this squishy that I bought. I bought it at Westminster Mall and it was in Wonders, the small Wonder thing. So I did went to Tokyo World first because they're next to each other. But they have squishy there, but I don't really like it. So, I went to Wonders, and they have a lot of them. And my mom, she is the one that picked out this squishy for me. So I just want to do a quick review, and I think that I took the last one. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see. She put it in this little small bag, which is really cute. Here's the receipt. It was $7, but plus the shipping is 60 cents, so the total was $7.60. And she did give me an hydro for free, but then I eat it. So yeah. And let's see the squishy. This is just a quick little video. Ta-da! Okay, so here it is. This is so cute. Okay, I saw some of the I saw there's one squishy that looked exactly like this, but it's jumbo. This one. And this is the medium one. There's a smaller one that I saw too, but I saw it at the block, but I didn't buy it because it was really expensive. It's like right here. It's like that small, and it was like $6, $5. This squishy is really nice, but one thing that I noticed that I think the squishy in the beginning, it was all yellow, and then they just painted these in the pink, because if you guys do this to the pink, you guys can see those thingy, and if you guys do this to this, you guys can also see that thing, and if you guys do this to yellow, doesn't have anything. Plus, if you look closely, where is it? If you look closely right here, you can see some yellow, and up here you can also see some yellow. So that's what noticed me, but it's still really nice and I really like it. And my mom picked this for me, so she actually picked the good one, because whenever I pick, I just regret what I pick. I don't know why. But these. So next time I'll let my mom pick. This is really, really nice. I love it. And you guys, comment down below if you guys like this too. So yeah, and as I say, it's just a quick little review video. So yeah, and I hope you guys like it. Plus, I did make a video yesterday. It was a live as a squishy scammer skit video. Skit will just mean thick, but I don't know if it upload yet. If it didn't, then I will make another one. If it didn't upload, I'll make another one, because yesterday it took a really long time to upload because it was like 20 something minutes, but I think I'll do it shorter next time because I was talking so much. So yeah, and that's it for this video, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, please give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, and as I say, comment down below if you guys like the squishy. This is probably my favorite one out of all. And yeah, bye guys, love you.